Hello and welcome. Discover the VEVOR 6QT Slow Cooker, perfect for cooking meals for 6 to 8 people. It features 3 heat settings including high, low, and keep warm for versatile cooking options. The digital control panel allows you to set a timer up to 20 hours for precision cooking. Its unique 3D heating technology ensures even heat distribution while the locking lid prevents spills and heat loss. Made with a durable stainless steel exterior and a ceramic inner pot, it promotes even heating and easy cleaning. This slow cooker is ideal for home kitchens, restaurants, parties, and more, making every meal a delicious experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.